So this year I thought we'd do something a little bit different at Christmas, or Yule as it's called, because I've come down here. Last night was the winter solstice. It was the longest, darkest night of the year, and in pagan times that was called Yule, and Yuletide was a celebration of a new beginning, a time for reflection over what's been going on. So I thought, let's just mix it up, let's just do it differently, because there's going to be all sorts of characters, and I don't know if you can see in the video camera, there's a little bit of colour coming in the sky. So to you wonderful subscribers who've been around for ages, I'm sorry I haven't put up so many videos this year. It's been a bonkers year doing things on the business. The book about the weight loss is sort of inching forward much more slowly than expected. But there you go. This year I think you're going to see a lot more things happening overseas, a lot more overseas travel and some new workshops coming. But I don't want to miss this cracking sunrise. So let's take a bit of a photo. Low light, what are we going to need? I've got 3600 ISO dialed in because I'm working without a tripod. So what else do I need? Something to keep the camera steady. How very useful. A fence post. There we go. And I love all these people walking in and around. They're silhouetted against the skyline. This is just awesome. We're going to go and meet some in a minute. Let's get my camera. Let's stick my camera, my elbow on the post. Let the chaps in the high-vis jackets go. We've even got the moon in the top of the shot. So here we go, we're nearly there. I love all these little people, the silhouettes on the horizon. Oh, that's just fantastic. So let's go and have a wander around amongst the stones, and if I get some more with the sunrise when we're not filming, I'll stick them in here as well, so you get to see a little bit of what's going on. Let's go meet some people. There are shed loads of people here. It's just buzzing. It's absolutely amazing. Never been here before, never done this before. So if you haven't, walk around, explore. We've explored all around the stones and we're just managing to inch our way in a bit.
Sorry, we're just heading towards.
Come in with me a bit if you can. Here we go. There's a space opening up. Sorry, there you go, my dear. That's all right. Look at this. Look at the stones over there. Have a quick look. Look, doesn't that look amazing? There's got to be a shot there. So how do we do this? Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Here are my glasses. Right. Look, I don't know if you can see in the back of my camera. Look, you see you can lift your camera. If you've got a little flippy monitor, it's even better. And we can kind of just get a bit of a sky shot, just like that. Look at all these people with their arms in the air, with their phones going. See if you can get a shot of someone else's shot. Did that work? Let's look. Let me see. Yeah, just about. It's not great, you just have to keep going with it. Oh, here's a shot. Don't go for the obvious, always go for something a bit different. I'm waiting for some more phones to come up in the air. Here's one. Just turned it the other way. Here we go. That's cool. That's cool. What about some of the amazing and interesting characters that are here? Like this gentleman.
You reckon he looks like Tom Jones?
I would say he's a lot more handsome than Tom Jones.
Oh, bless you, I'll shake your hand.
Thank you, mate. Like
even
your hat.
his wife don't say that.
I like your hat. May I take your picture, sir? Love the hat. I need a bit of stone going on there as well. Look at that. Fantastic.
£15.
Thank you so much.
Right,
that's another thing. Don't be scared of people. People are lovely. So as the sun's about to come up, there's all sorts of action going on. Of course we want to watch that, but watch what's happening here as well. So I'm going to set the camera onto burst mode because I want to capture some action. Look at these people doing a ceremony here. Let's see what we can capture. Let's just see. This girl looks amazing. Look at what she's wearing. Her expression. All that is really cool. Fantastic. be afraid to move the autofocus point around a little. This is just so amazing. There are just so many images to be captured at something like this. Oh, fantastic. So we've come out from within the stones, within the crush and all those amazing people, because the sun's come a little higher. Now is a good moment to try and isolate some sun against the stones, get some interesting arty stuff. We can shoot over the heads of the people. Now, you can shoot into the light, as you know, you can shoot into the sun. It's not going to hurt you. But if we set a very small aperture, you can get that starburst effect. And by moving around, I should be able to find a place where I can maximize that starburst. Let me roll a tiny bit of video here and see what we can do. Here we go. Now you watch, as I move the camera up a bit, we can isolate stones. If I go to my left, we can start to clip. You see the starburst disappears here, and as you move to the right, it comes back again. I think we put the sun right between those stones like that and just shoot over people's heads. Let's put the camera onto single shot and let's take our picture. Let's have a look at our exposure. I've got a histogram in my viewfinder so I can check it, and I think that's going to be just right. Let's compose up our shot. That is a lovely, lovely picture. The colours in it and the stones and the sky and all the rest of it. So I hope you've enjoyed mixing it up here as much as I've enjoyed being here and filming at this incredible event.